Hello guys, here is a quick video on how to make an OnlyFans account. And this is one of the easiest guides we're gonna do. It's probably maybe the easiest guide. So all you need is an email and you can come up with a password and that is all. You don't need a credit card or something like that to pay in advance. You can pay when you decide to follow someone. So you're gonna go to any web browser and you're gonna open onlyfans.com and you can sign in with Twitter or you can sign in with Google. But if you don't want to do that, you can go and sign up for OnlyFans. You can put your name here, you can put the password here, and once you do that, you will create your profile and you can start following the people you like. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more useful tips.